Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Leek, and in this Smith family travel vlog we are visiting Orlando and staying in the Homewood Suites by the Hilton Orlando theme parks. Now let's get into this review. Yeah, of course. Everybody got a clear thank you.
Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that.
That is pretty cool, the lobby. That's the business center in case we print something. I was trying to walk at once. Look at that.
Sick.
They both got them. Star Wars. Looks like we're getting on Chewbacca. Yeah.
What is the question?
Well, you gotta actually put pressure on the buttons to actually push it in.
What's the actual number?
Yeah.
What's the number?
412. So we're going to the left. And we're walking.
Show them the digital key. Oh.
Okay. Do you have mine? Thank you.
Thank you.
You have to get in during mine. Oh, yeah.
It's really nice.
So it's a decent size.
House.
Yeah. It's got dishes. Little coffee area, dishwasher, full-size fridge. Stove, dishwasher. Utensils if you want to use it. Full-size microwave, which we definitely will be using. It is the microwave we have at home. Got a little table. Got a sofa bed. Where's the light for this one? Oh, duh. So sofa bed, chair, TV. So he should be good. We won't see our view probably till the morning.
I guess if you got like
Okay.
or something to do.
Queen bed. This is a big room.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was this big.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah. It's a huge room. Huge. Look at that. That's the TV. You trying to see our view? Do we have a decent view or is it parking lot?
It's just like the pool or something.
Oh. Okay. It's the fire pit. There's a fire pit.
Okay, we'll put that down.
And the pool. You're right. We got a good view. Oh, full-size mirror in the bathroom. That's a huge desk too. Get the sink is on the outside of the bathroom, which is always a plus. There's a safe, ironing board, iron in there. It's your bathroom. We got a tub this time, huh? Not a shower. It's not bad. All right. I like this.
Yeah.
I like this.
see it?
We got a decent,
Water.
that's right. Running water. Come look at this view. How'd you pull it up, boo?
That's my mom.
It's
I don't know why it reminds me.
It's my favorite. Yeah, check out his channel.
Minecraft. Now my mom is opening it.
Struggling, opening those.
Struggling.
Oh, I think I got it.
You'll get to see her part of this trip on her channel.
But it's probably a better picture of the pool.
Oh, check it out. We got a fireplace. Oh, look at that pool,
Look
though.
at the pool.
Look at that pool, though.
Fire pit.
Oh, wow.
There's a barbecue
There's
pit
lights
area.
down there.
Yeah.
Little patio chilling area.
That pool looks pretty cool.
We gotta check out that pool tomorrow. You'll see that on my other video full of the family trip.
That's right.
And go check out her video to see her side of the family trip.
That's right. It's a basketball court right there.
Oh God, there is a There's a basketball court. My dad can play basketball.
Somebody out there playing right now.
No, it's cold outside. Well, it's not cold.
It's not cold
It's a bit
outside. You see the basketball court?
Yeah,
That's pretty cool.
There's a dog.
Yeah.
Oh, they got. This is actually a really
seal.
decent view.
It looks nice.
The fireplace looks really nice. It's sort of like a.
We got a good view.
We got a really good view.
And we got this is a very nice, this is an apartment. When I say it's a spacious, extra pillow, so that's good. Spacious.
Extra pillow in like every drawer. No, there's like two.
So just two extra pillows in the top drawers. And you just pull this out. We probably need to check out that sofa bed.
That they set by the remote sanitizer, which is good for COVID.
Rearrange this. My son is opting to stay in this room to have his own privacy, of course. Okay.
I know it is. We do that by one home. Did you see the toaster and cups?
Yeah, I saw the toaster in the cup. And the full-size fridge.
As you can see.
Getting the sofa bed ready. My husband's doing that.
I know.
Is there like a...
I think there's like a little bedroom.
That helps pull it
Is there
out?
like a little walk-in?
I think it's
Oh,
here.
yeah, there it is. I like how they just fold out
We just
so
need to
easily,
get
though.
sheets for it.
This calculates.
No, it's just pillows in there. So we need to get sheets.
Just bring the stuff from the other room and put them on here, I guess.
Now we asked them for a set of sheets downstairs. It's awesome. Okay.
It's pretty cool though.
And you
I like
still
how
have
it's a chili
space
place. I like it to be
with
cool
it
and
out.
sleepy. Got a personal TV right there. It's gonna be for me.
Loving this. But it's crazy how big this room is. Extra sheets. Right there, that was in the closet.
Anyway.
It's got a ceiling fan. Got a... Yeah, we could have brought noodles to cook noodles.
Pick up groceries and actually like cook.
Yeah, because it got a full fridge.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, I'm going to record you. Do
Yeah,
this.
especially breakfast, because they just said, the sheets said that they don't do the big breakfast down there. They do a prepackaged thing due to COVID.
Like how they did in Vegas with that,
Yeah.
that preserved eggs.
It's got
Oh,
pots already.
They had like a little toast. They had like a toaster and place a glass over here.
Yeah.
Got a little skillet.
Yeah, we probably do. We only got two
And they got a
guys.
dishwasher too. I didn't even add that in the video.
I added it. I made sure. What's up there? 'Cause I couldn't reach
There's
it.
nothing up there but wires.
Oh, just the wires for that. It's a decoration.
That's a little trash can right there.
No, that's the ice bucket.
Talking about the top of the fridge.
That's the ice bucket.
That's an ice bucket.
Yeah.
Bucket full of ice on it.
And you can get ice and actually keep it cold.
Yeah, for coffee. I noted on the thing for coffee lovers right here.
It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Dad, I gotta see you make a meal in Florida now.
Mm.
I gotta see you make some. Also, I'm getting back on the carpet. The floor is like.
This is pretty cool.
This is really nice.
It's a garbage disposal? It's got a garbage disposal. Oh, shucky ducky.
I'm gonna record.
I didn't even try turning on the stove.
No, I didn't try that either.
It works.
It actually does. Can you feel it? Which one?
You can get hot.
It's gonna get red.
That's what I thought you normally get bread. There you go.
Oh
You
yeah,
got
see,
the clothes. There you go.
this is insanely nice. I'm not gonna lie.
Surface light is out.
And besides all this, they also
Microwave.
have a pool outside and stuff.
My baby do a little breakfast.
I'm just making it red now.
Yeah, now I see it glowing.
Really
It's actually pretty good. Well, we need to make sure that fan works.
Level up here.
Exactly. That's pretty cool.
I don't think don't put like dish towels though.
Nah, but that's because they expect you to use a dishwasher, I'm assuming, without discovering. I like it has the stopper, so it's locked. So if it was unlocked, it's a heavy door, by the way. This is a truly heavy door.
But this is alright.
It is. This is good.
It's nice. It's kind of like a straight up service.
Got it what?
It's like a little tear right here.
Oh. Wow. I guess if you blow a fuse, you can
Oh wow.
go on and get it
They have
figured
individual
out.
fuses for the rooms.
I guess so.
That's the
I'm
fanciest
sorry.
hotel we've ever been to.
Is this door heavy too? This is a heavy, pretty heavy door too. This is really nice.
They folded like it's a word on or something.
Yeah, you gonna go ahead and make the bed up? All right.
I really like this. Yeah, look, I got it.
I am feeling this. Oh, this is the fan.
Especially if you're traveling with
This is how to work the fan. That's the light for the fan. I just turned the fan on. You get 3 settings for the fan. That's all. The fan is on. We did see the error on the thermostat for this room, but the good thing is it's blowing cold air and you can manually adjust this. So that's awesome. You don't have to worry about maintenance right now because we did check in pretty late. It's now 10 o'clock, as you can see on the clock. But HOMEWOOD Suites by Hilton. This is awesome. This room is huge, like huge. You was trying to get in there? Oh, I didn't even know something was under there. It is a little blow dry. Look at that.
Also, look at it too. Hey, these pillows are so soft. Like, imagine having a giant marshmallow, but it's like fluffed out and in a little package.
Oh yeah, I like this. I was like, compared to what we normally get, because we normally rent a house or a townhouse. So this is actually pretty good. I like this tile, yeah. I like that. It is. This is my favorite part right here.
The only thing is, you gotta share a bathroom,
But right here, you can brush your teeth without having to worry about when Jeremiah blowing it up.
You blow it up worse than me, and you know it. Yeah, she actually.
A recycle bin in here.
Yeah, they do.
That's
People love
good.
recycle.
For the people that recycle. All right. HOMEWOOD Suites International Drive is definitely a go. Definitely recommended.
Yeah, I put myself in your video.
He sure did. Don't forget to check out his channel. Subscribe to both our channels. Oh, here's a view of the business center, the lobby. The lobby is gorgeous, and they have these Hollywood signs everywhere for the Disney World in Hollywood. There's a little light up thing. There's a coffee. I was trying to just do a quick view because it was late at night of the lobby. I do have a better view at the end of this video, including the hot, delicious breakfast. So continue to watch. And there's a laundry room. I didn't get that on camera, but they sell like Tide and little snacks. And here's the front desk. Now this is the view from our window the next morning, and this is the view from the hotel elevator waiting area. Here's the fitness center, and now the hot breakfast. Got coffee, ice water. Doja. Fireplace is not on. Juices.
I know the feeling you get.
Eggs and sausage. Me too. Biscuits and gravy. They have the option of minis, which are so cute. And then the big ones that you guys saw, and we'll see in a minute.
There's a bagel. What?
Oh my god. Looks nice.
Outside the nice.
Yeah, barbecue pit.
2 barbecue pits.
2. Palm trees. Oh, it does have water coming out of it. Yeah. 4th floor.
They
8 a.m.
shower before entering.
Yeah. Basketball. It does. It goes to 5 feet. Thank you guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to scroll over to the bottom right, click my logo, subscribe to my channel, and let's hit the notification button so you don't miss a video. Follow me on all social media, all things LiqueTheNailGeek or at LiqueTheNailGeek. Check out my website, LiqueTheNailGeek.com. Thumbs up this video, comment below, and until next time, bye.